Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this yummy, this yummy honey garlic salmon. Now normally I would say that the video was starring a particular gadget, but believe it or not, I used my stove. I know, what is going on? Crystal used her stove. Yes, I used my stove. I haven't used it in many months, but this particular recipe, it starts off cooking the salmon on the stove and then you put it in the oven to finish it under the broiler for about 4 to 5 minutes, just so you can brown up the salmon and kind of crisp the top. So I did use this new oven that I have that you guys haven't seen me use yet because, you know, I went missing for a while, but I'll be using the new June oven to finish it off. So if you want to see how I made this yummy dish, then keep on watching. So here are the ingredients I'll be using: salt, pepper, lemon pepper, paprika, honey, soy sauce, butter, lemon, some garlic, which I forgot to take a picture of, and of course the salmon. Okay, let's get started by seasoning the salmon. This is skin on salmon, so I will only be seasoning the top. Now that the salmon is all seasoned up, let's go ahead and start on the sauce. I've preheated my 5-quart Le Creuset roasting pan, and I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of butter, some garlic, some honey, followed by some soy sauce, a little bit of water, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. I decided to go ahead and add in the rest of that butter because, you know, why not? Then I tasted the sauce to check for seasoning. I need a little bit more salt and I added in some crushed red pepper flakes. Now it's time to add in the salmon. You're going to let the salmon cook skin side down for about 3 to 4 minutes. While the salmon is cooking, use that yummy sauce to baste the top. Let me show you that again in slow motion. Now it's time to transfer the salmon to your oven. You're going to cook the salmon under the broiler for 4 to 5 minutes. And here's the finished salmon, garnished with some lemon slices and parsley. So, what do you think of this recipe? Was that easy or what? Do you plan on giving this one a try? If you are, go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know down below. And did you like this video? Well, if you did, give me a thumbs up. That helps out my channel a whole lot. Also, if you're here and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, first of all, why not? Second of all, go ahead and click that button and tap that bell so you know the next time that I upload. As always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!